How to create and sell Canva graphic design on Redbubble. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to sell your graphic design ideas into Redbubble, where this is a platform that provides independent artists and designers to showcase and sell their artwork on a wide range of products. So here is an example of the products of artworks on Redbubble. So you can just go to your browser and you can check here there is that's redbubble.com, and then you can browse and explore a lot of artworks from independent artists that you can see here. So there are also clothing designs that you can see. There's wall art. There's a lot of information. There's a lot of range or variety for you to put your art into something. So in order for us to begin creating our own design, what you'll need to do is to create your own account first, and then there you will be able to view and explore ideas, and you can also upload and sell your designs as well. So, for us to begin, what you'll need to do is to open another tab on your browser and go to Canva. Canva will be the main platform that we'll be using in order for us to create our own graphic design. With the Canva platform, you'll need to log in into your account first. And once logged in, you can definitely use this platform for free. But if you want to access all of the designs without any limitations, you can definitely upgrade to Canva Pro. But here we'll start creating our own design. So we have a lot of options here, whether it's a poster, flyer, infographic. So what I'll be doing here is I'll be choosing a custom size for this. Here, so I will be creating the design here. So this will route you to your page once you start creating your own design. So what you'll need or what you can do here is go to elements and then you can search for patterns or graphic art designs that you can use for your design that you will be creating today. Here, so you need to make sure that you will use more than one graphic design for this, and make sure that you will edit the color and the format as well of that design that you chose, so you will not be sued for copyright or anything like that. Here, so I'll be changing the color. Then you can also change the background for this as well. There, I'm just choosing for a background. You can either do a plain background or you can do a gradient background for this. Here, so what you can do is what you can do here is that you can do multiple designs in one page or in one workspace. Here you'll be able to see this is another theme that I'll be creating. So I'll be having a green and a dark blue background. There, I'm just duplicating it so you can have symmetrical patterns. Here, so you can just adjust these information. Once you're done aligning and adjusting the details, you can choose the background color to see on what suits best on the design that we created. So what I'll do here is I will just adjust the darkness of the design. Here, that's it. And here I'll be adding a new page, and this will be another design, more like a ocean theme. And another design here as well. So there will be, you can actually do a lot of designs using this platform, but I'll be using these five main designs for me to sell these into the Redbubble. Okay, so I'll be going back to Redbubble here, and for you to create your design, you just click on your profile and then click on sell your art, and then you can just click on add your artwork. Then you'll be routed into this page. So you can click on upload new work, and then you need to save the graphic design that you made earlier first. And then once you have saved the images, you can now select each one and then paste it into your Redbubble account. And there it will be fully loaded. Then you just need to put title, what tags or description, but that's optional. You just need to fill out these information since these are needed for you to complete the process. Here, so once you have put it in from description and tags, you can now choose on what product you want to place your design. So you either pillowcases, tote bags, phone cases, and if ever on a specific design and there's a white border that will appear, you don't have to worry. You can also edit the format of the design where you can choose to fill out the gaps or the border for that. Here, so when you choose a pattern, you can do offset so that it will fill out all the gaps on the product that you want the design to be in. So for example, we'll do this on the tablet cases and skin. You can edit that, and then on choose pattern, you can choose offset grid, and there you will see that there's no gaps anymore for the design. So it will look seamless. Here, so if ever you don't like the design to be in a certain product, you can just click on the enable for that to be disabled, the green button. It's free. And then if you want that to be included, you can just do the opposite way. Here, so once done, you can go ahead and go to the lower part of the page. And there you need to select the default product that you have. And then you can just click on publish. And there you have it. You already have your work into your dashboard. So here you can see the sample cases, sample products that has your design in it. And there you have it. So you can actually do this to all of the graphic designs that you have, and then you can go to your portfolio if you want to add a new work. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.